One of my favorite videos I used to watch on YouTube were body transformation time lapses. I used to find them so motivating, and I wanted to see how long it would take for me to make that change myself. And I was just so obsessed with timescales that I just completely forget about the actual inputs needed to build the physique in the first place. Now, I heard this quote which goes, after 1 month of training and nutrition, you'll notice a difference yourself. After 2 months, your friends and family will start to notice a difference, and after 3 months, the whole world will know. And I kind of took that to mean that like after 3 months, I'll have my dream body. But obviously, turned out that wasn't the case. And I think for a more accurate representation, I'd probably double it. So 2 months for yourself to see some good changes, 4 months of friends and family, and 6 months for everyone else. So obviously that original formula didn't really work for me because I was just obsessed with the timescales. So I created an input-based formula instead. So it goes, after 24 workouts, you'll notice a difference. After 48 workouts, your friends and family will notice a difference. And after 72 workouts, the whole world will notice. Now, why 72? Well, that is 3 workouts per week for 6 months. And I think if you're starting out on your gym journey, once you've built up the habit, that's the first thing, is just going to the gym. And then after that, it's just a case of ticking off these 72 workouts as you go. And these first 6 months of workouts will be when you make the biggest changes. And growing up, when we first started in the gym, we'd kind of flex about going every day, or like how long can like your streak be of going to the gym. And it was just never sustainable. I could never stay consistent. And it wasn't until I lowered that bar and started to go 3 times a week for like 45-minute to an hour long sessions that I finally started to see some progress. And then once I'd built up that habit and it kind of became easy to go that much, then that's when I started to build longer sessions with more exercises. And now I can happily go to the gym like 5 or 6 times a week for 75 to 90 minutes at a time. So great, you've got this 72 workout target. What are the next steps? Well, first of all, if you haven't already, is to sign up to a gym. Second of all, is to find a gym program, whether that be a free one online or you can buy one. I personally bought the Kino Body Warrior Shredding program when I first started, and that really helped me. Next is to get the Strong app so that you can track your workouts. You can get the free version. You can have up to 3 templates on there. But if you want the pro version, it's going to be around $30 per year, which is still well worth it. And once you've got the Strong app, then you can like create your templates based on the workout which you have downloaded or bought. So if you want some one-to-one coaching to help you achieve your body transformation this year, then click the first link in the description. Apart from that, that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.